Hi everyone. So in this tutorial, we will see how to create pie charts in Power BI. So for that, let's open the Power BI file. Okay, let's create a new tab and let's create a new page and let's rename this page to pie chart. So for that, you need to create and right click. You can then rename the page and you can put pie chart. Okay, under pie chart, you can use that. For example, let's say you click this visual over here, okay, and then you're putting city, okay, and the values are count of city. Okay, let's not do it as city. Let's type, okay, bed type, and values is add to bed type. Now this data is really what about. Let's quickly look at the data and let's see. Let's do one thing. Let's do it by property type. Let's create a pie chart of property type. I'm doing the bed type and I'm putting it as property type and I am putting the values as property type. Okay, so this is, I'll put it as property type as well as a tooltip. Can make it as percentage of grand total. Okay, so basically first one is apartment, and then we have a significant chunk for loft, we have a significant chunk for house, okay, we have a significant chunk for condominium, and then these are the various chunks that we have. Now for example, you want to change the theme of the color. So for here you can come to the data color, and for apartment bond you want to make it as, let's say you want to make a custom color. So let's scroll it down, click here again, let's say you want to make it as red. Okay, and bed and breakfast. Bed and breakfast is something which you are very much concerned of, so you have made it as this one. Then let's say you have this house format. Okay, you have this house format. One thing, okay, for the apartment, let's say you want to make it as purple, so you can change the color. Now legend is already made as on, so position is right center. You can make it as bottom, or you can make it as wherever you want to see this legend, or top center. Okay, I think bottom, even if you put it as bottom center, you have the option to kind of scroll sideways to see that what are the other legends that are available over here. Okay, so you can select the various color format. You have the option to select only data level, data value. You have the percentage of grand total, but because the data value is coming as percentage over here, because over here you have selected value as percentage of count property, right? If you select only count and so value as number of calculation, it will show as 0.1.9k and like this. Okay,